Welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to be installing this wig in no time. It is of course beginner friendly, literally the most beginner friendly wig install that we can probably have. Today I have a wig for the girlies, the lazy girlies, the girlies that are lacking experience. Today's hair sponsor is Celie hair. They've been delivering some beautiful wigs, okay? And we are here for it. Today what I have installed is their upgraded 24-inch 5x5 PPB wear and go wig. There's so many names and there's lots of like lingos for wigs, but I'm gonna put you guys on. It's really simple. It means it's pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-cut. They've done all the work for you. She is also glueless. She comes with an HD lace, has combs in the inside as well. Fresh out of the box. I'm gonna focus on this portion. Make sure that this part's laying, because once we're done with that, you can technically just comb through her. That's what I've been told, so we'll see. And it does fit nicely glueless. So that's the look we're going for, just an easy press back. I'm gonna do that on this side too. Once you do that, you're gonna have to go in and pluck some of those hairs out. Only because the hairline is just too straight here. A little bit more natural. And then I'm gonna spray on top. I like pressing on the sides here because that just gives a more natural look. So if you're a beginner and you're getting this wig out of the box, do these few things, these few steps, and I promise you, you're gonna have a beautiful install that's gonna look like a professional had installed it. Okay, and the last thing we're gonna do is go ahead and get some powder. And what I like to use that for is to open up the part to make it look like I'm wearing a bald cap, and two, like it's been melted by the gods. Yep. Okay, and should be able to just comb through her. Wow, very big curls. Gonna use a brush. Okay, so this is the side that's more like ringlet curls. You can wear it like that, or you can wear it more combed out like I'm wearing here. What do we think, guys? Is this a style that you would wear fresh out of the box? Would you wear the wig curled like this, or would you take it out and recurl it yourself? I'm actually curious to know, and I think I want the ends to be a little bit more settled and tame, so I'm going to see if spraying water is going to help. I think it will kind of help the curls just settle just a little bit more. Yeah, like that. See? You guys see like a difference? Ooh, that's the trick to this style. Gotta hit it with some water. Guys, we figured it out. Okay, now it's sitting the way that I want it to, for the most part. These two pieces here are still bugging me. No, I think I need to curl this piece. Like, I think just for for my own sanity purposes, I have to curl it right here. Yeah, these pieces have to be this way. Does have a bit of a smell to it. And I'm putting a lot of tension on this. If you want the curls to be really defined, you have to wrap it tightly around your barrel. The front pieces make or break your look. But I find like these two front pieces, if they're not curled in the right way, it kind of throws the look off. So that's why I decided to like recurl this portion right there. And now it just blends in with everything else. Gonna put this band on for a quick second. Oh yeah. Okay, now we're talking. Super easy install. It is still a glueless install because we just used some melt spray. It's not glue, it's a glue-free install. Come check them out. Celie hair has nice hair, very soft, very beautiful. You can have this look at home too, and you can do this yourself. Now, what I did discover today was water. Water on this body wave pre-curled wig looks amazing because the curls are so intense. At first, to drop it a little bit to make it look more realistic, like when you would just curl it yourself, put some water on it and just kind of comb through it. The curls are going to settle into the most beautiful curls. It's going to look like you curled it yourself. And that is a little trick that I discovered today, because before it would just be like crazy, like all curled up. I always recommend recurling these two sections here. That's what really brings the look together for me. After I did that, I just detailed the hairline with some powder, and that's it. I did secure her down, so she is stuck to my head with this lace melt spray. This is the one that I'm using, okay? So this is by Ebin. Got to be, I would say, get on Ebin. Got to be is a little bit more tricky to use, leaves a little bit more of like a white cast. This doesn't really do that, so that's why I prefer to use Ebin. You can see the hairline looks really good, guys, and that's just with a couple sprays. I hope you guys try this out at home. If you purchase this wig, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and if you have any questions or comments, just leave it down there as well. I'll catch you guys later in another review, another day, another time. Bye.